How to rejoin a server you left in Discord. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can rejoin a server you left in the Discord. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So to rejoin a private server, you have to get an invite from the server owner. You can message the server owner to send you an invite link. But if you want to rejoin a public server, you can find its invite easily. Just open up a browser and search for Discord servers. And here open one of these servers website, any of these top servers website. And here you can search for the Discord server you want to find the invite link of. You can search any of the server's link and just tap on the join server. After you finding the server, just tap on join the server and you will be joined. So this is how you can rejoin a server you left in Discord. Thanks for watching.